Challenge 40, day 8. As we continue along with this process, today's scripture comes from James chapter 1, verse 19. My dear brothers and sisters, take note of this. Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. Chose this verse today because it speaks more personally to me as far as in younger years and my anger. I've become a lot better in dealing with this over the past few years, particularly since the struggle I went through with my cancer, but still have a long way to go. And so read this again this morning and spoke to my heart. So I thought I'd put it out there today. Again, challenge 40, whatever's on your heart. My challenge to you is that you pray for 40 days and 40 nights. If interested, get back to me with what happens if you take this challenge. Day 8 here, proceeding along well. Make sure you find something to be thankful for today. Open your heart to God. Pray to Him, take in His presence, ask for forgiveness, and be happy with what God has bestowed upon you in your life. Be grateful for the many blessings He has bestowed upon you. Find time to figure out what those are today and be thankful. Thank you. Have a good evening and good luck with the next week.